My name is C.H. Bhanu. I am from 10th class. I want to become a doctor. My accepted mark is 550 above. I want to give a suggestion to my juniors. If you want to good marks in 10th class or good manner in life or good way in your life, you want to follow the teacher guidelines and read textbooks every day. Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Everyone, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends and my dear juniors. My name is Swati from 10th class. My pleasure to speak here in this event, farewell party, and finally the day had come, which where all the students were. My suggestion: don't comparison with others. First of all, when you start reading.
Today I am going to tell a small story for you guys. Okay. అంటే మన ఏషియన్ టైంలో చూసుకుంటే అప్పుడు మనకి ఇలా స్కూల్స్ బిల్డింగ్స్ కాకుండా చిన్న గురుకుల ఇలా పొలాల్లో బయట మంచిగా వాతావరణంలో చెట్టు కింద అందరికీ టీచింగ్ చెప్పేవాళ్ళు అనమాట. సో అలానే ఒక గురుకులం ఉండేది, అక్కడ చాలామంది పిల్లలు కూడా ఉండేవాళ్ళు, టీచర్ కూడా ఉండేవాళ్ళు, ఇలా చాలా మంచిగా ఉండేవాళ్ళు.
My name is Anjan. I am from 10th class. My dream is defense. My expected marks is 550 plus.
Teachers, my juniors and my dear classmates, my name is T. Nalin Sadhakandi. Understanding చేసుకుని చదవండి. Thank you.
Teachers, my dear juniors and my dear classmates, my expected marks is above 500. మన టీచర్స్కి స్టూడెంట్స్కి మధ్యలో బంధంతో మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ అంటే ఏమన్నా చెప్తారు. ఈ స్కూల్లో మనం చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేసిన మూమెంట్స్ ఎప్పుడు మర్చిపోలేదు. సార్ చెప్పినట్టు మీరు నడుచుకుంటే మీ ఫ్యూచర్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Respected teachers, principal sir and AO sir and all my friends, my name is N. Somesh. I am studying in 10th class. My goal is engineering. My expected marks is 550 plus. మా జూనియర్స్కి ఇచ్చే సజెషన్ అది కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసి వినండి. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఏది చెప్పారో అది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పింది మళ్ళీ మీరు చదవండి. చదివితే అది మనకి
జూనియర్స్కి వాట్ యూ థింక్ దెన్ దట్ ఓన్లీ యూ విల్ బికమ్. సో థింక్ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ బిలీవ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి క్లాస్లో నిద్రస్తూ పడుకోవద్దు, కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకుని వినండి.
I am from 10th class. My aim is mechanical engineering. In front of you to speak few words about me. I'm not old enough to suggest anyone, but I know few things. We need to try understand the topic. We need to learn first how to understand, not how to read. And we should hear in class very carefully, because hearing is the first step to learning. And my expected marks was 550 plus, and I want to be principal sir, all teachers, my dear friends. My name is B. Vinod. I am studying 10th class. My aim is engineering.
Expected marks is 550. My future goal is engineering. So suggestion కూడా అవసరం. Respected teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to us. I'll share few words with you. It's hard to say goodbye to beloved ones once again. A special thanks to everyone for guide me through the right path. Good morning to everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Hamsuda from 10th class. Today I want to share few memories about our school. I am feeling very proud for being student in this school. In this school we have learned many moral values and how the student should be obedient also. I like each and every teacher to do good. This is the best platform to the students to gain knowledge and the moral values for the future. Thank you. Everyone, respected principals and teachers and my dear juniors. Hope here I grateful, a very grateful deliver this farewell speech. On such the outstanding day like this, we are all
bid goodbye to our valuable Hi teacher. And
Good afternoon. Today is the day. Today is the last page of my book, which was started nearly 13 years ago. That is when I was studying in nursery in the same school, Samskar Party High School. Today is the day when everyone in my batch, all the faculty, I have to say goodbye to everyone. This is so hard for me, but it's okay. It's the common. I am one among the persons who believe in life cycle. That means it is the day when we have to just say goodbye to the school life, not to the friendship and not to the relations of the teacher and the student. If everyone asks me about goals, tips and experiences, if you ask me about goal, everyone in the class, 10th class, every student have a goal to get to do service to the society in different ways, such as first way is in science manner, being a doctor, scientist, or in a socialistic manner like being a civil service officer, in a mathematical manner or physical manner being an engineer. So I am one among the social one. So I want to give service to the citizen, as a citizen, to the citizen being in a social manner. So it's my goal. I'm sorry to disappoint you all, but my expected marks are nothing than the marks that they are in the exam. For example, if the exam is conducted for 10 marks, the goal must be 10 marks.
Myself, my name is Palla. I'm studying in 10th class. My expectation marks is 500 above. I am becoming an engineer. This school gives lot of memories for me. This is best pathway how to the students gain knowledge and moral values for the future. Thank you.
This is Shravanti from 10th class. I want to become an IPS officer. And నాకు ఈ స్కూల్ చాలా మెమోరీస్ని ఇచ్చింది. ఈ టీచర్స్ చాలా చెప్పారు, చాలా చదువుని ఇచ్చారు, చాలా సంస్కారాన్ని ఇచ్చారు. నేను చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్తున్నాను ఈ స్కూల్కి. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ టీచర్స్ అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్తున్నాను.
I'm studying 10th class. My name is Pavana.
శుభోదయం. పవిత్రమైన రోజు, ఎందుకంటే 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ పిలిచి వెళ్తున్నందుకు అడుగుతారు. అయితే బాధపడవలసిన పని లేదు, ఎందుకంటే అది రొటీన్గా జరిగే పని కాబట్టి మనం బాధ పడకూడదు.